Rondae Hollis-Jefferson, born January 3, 1995, is an American-born naturalized Jordanian professional basketball player who last played for the Meralco Bolts of the East Asia Super League EASL. After playing college basketball for the Arizona Wildcats, he was selected by the Portland Trail Blazers of the National Basketball Association, NBA, in the 2015 NBA Draft, and spent 6 seasons with the NBA before playing for different basketball teams outside the United States. He has won 3 Philippine Basketball Association championships as part of the TNT Tropang Giga, and 3-time best import of the conference 2023 PBA Governors Cup, 2024 PBA Governors Cup, and the 2024-25 PBA Commissioners Cup. TNT Tropang Giga. In August 2024, Hollis-Jefferson returns to TNT as the team's import for the 2024 PBA Governors Cup. He helped the team clinch their 2nd consecutive Governors Cup title, scoring 31 points in a series-clinching 95-85 victory against the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel in Game 6 of the Governors Cup Finals. After the championship in Governor's Cup, Hollis-Jefferson helped TNT capture the Commissioner's Cup against Barangay Ginebra in Finals Game 7, giving TNT a back-to-back championships in one season. Hollis-Jefferson received his 3rd Best Import of the Conference award. In April 2025, Hollis-Jefferson signed 1-year exclusive contract for the TNT. In September 2025, TNT allowed Hollis-Jefferson to play for its sister team, Meralco Bolts, for their campaign on East Asia Super League. On September 11, 2025, Hollis-Jefferson joined the Meralco Bolts of the East Asia Super League as an import. In a December 6th game against the Macau Black Bears, Hollis-Jefferson suffered a ruptured Achilles tendon, ending his season. National team career. On July 24, 2023, the Jordan Basketball Federation announced that Hollis-Jefferson had been contracted to play for the national side as a naturalized player. On August 16, 2023, he was included in Jordan's 17-man squad for the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup. On August 28, 2023, Hollis-Jefferson drew comparisons to the late Kobe Bryant for his play with the Jordan national team during the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup. The Samahang Basketball NG Pilipinas of the Philippines also offered Hollis-Jefferson to play for their national team, but he eventually chose Jordan. Player profile. Hollis-Jefferson plays both forward positions. Using his athleticism and 7-foot 2-inch, 2.18 meters wingspan, he is part of the NBA trend of undersized power forwards. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.